Gentlemen, here we have Miss Mubashra, who has a vast knowledge about the Uzbek history, particularly the Islamic history. She is our guide, and she is explaining to us about Hazrat Bahaudin Naqshbandi, who was born here, and he has been buried here as well. So over to Mubashra. Yeah.
So here we are in the architectural complex which is called Bahaudin Naqshband. Here we can see the grave of tomb of the Bahaudin Naqshband. Actually, he was born in the family, and his father, who was making, he had a kind of craft. His craft was like pattern maker. That's why his name, like Naqshband, came from his craft. For example, pattern maker means in Persian language like Naqshband. Naqsh is pattern, band is making. So his father used to maintain his family doing such kind of craft, which was called Naqshband. When he had, at the age of 10 and 11, his father died, and this craft came to him. And with this with this craft, he used to help to maintain the family to his mother.
Thank you.